Hey guys, welcome back to Genre 16. I am your host Javon, and today we have a brand new benchmark. This is Zombie Army 4 Dead War for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, we're testing with the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and I decided to test out Zombie Army. It just released the other day for the Nintendo Switch. I want to see how it runs on the YUZU emulator. Cause why not, right? Why the heck not? We don't got time for all this. Can I not skip this? Oof. Oh yes I can. Yes I did. Now this is the first time I'm launching the game, so expect shaders to be building in like crazy considering how big a game. This is a 3D game. You know, with a lot of zombies that are going to be rendered too, so expect the pain to start early. It may get better a little later on down though. Don't quote me on that. But maybe. Just maybe. I do like the performance though so far. This is a cutscene, but it is running quite well for the cutscene. Hey, small positives, man. Small positives. So we're using 20. Let's see. We're gonna get into game now. All right. Let's stand. Just don't move a minute.
Still quiet. No response on the radio.
Oh wow.
I don't like the silence. Better
I'm
get
actually
back.
shocked. I'm actually quite shocked it's playing this well right off the bat, to be honest with you. It seems to be handling itself quite well. I'ma go trench gun. Oh, it's a sprint is still 3. Okay, now does it have a 60 FPS mode? Holy crap, it has even more than that. I'll cap it to 60 though. Interesting, so you can do 60 FPS. I don't know, for the sake of the video I made, I should do 30, but no, I'll do this. That's fine. It is running well. The first hit is going to have stutter because of the shader loading. Interesting. Yeah, I just want it to load in all the stutter. I don't think 60 in this game is recommended because of, like I said, it's a big game. Yup, look at that. Nice. I mean, this could be worse. Like I said, I'm just giving it a second to build in the shaders before I really try to progress. Oh, I can do that? What are you guys doing? What are you running away for? I'm right here. Does no one know I'm here? How interesting. No one seems to care. Huh. Like I said, I'm just taking my time. I need this to load in first before I go crazy. But it is running. Small wins, guys. Small wins. We take them where we can get them. Okay, got it. Let's try the pistol for a bit. Let's go.
There, I see them. They are back. Hey, over here. Come on. You're the last out. We have been waiting for you.
But hey, if you wanted to play Zombie Army 4 on the Nintendo Switch for whatever reason, it runs.
Lockdown?
All right, open up.
That being said, you do need some RAM to get it to run.
Welcome back. Good to see you're still in one piece.
Am I really?
What's with the lockdown?
The brass issued an evac order. We're getting out of this dump. Go talk to Bruno. He's been waiting for you.
Am I really in one piece? It's debatable. Ooh. Don't mind if I does. Don't mind if I does. Never played Zombie Army before. Never played any of these.
You're alive.
Isn't it like an iteration of Sniper Ghost Sniper Elite?
What took you so long, eh?
I thought we'd have to leave without you.
I was getting a lot of stutter because I had to build in the
What's going
shaders. I'm sorry.
Why are
We're
we
using over 8
leaving?
gigs of RAM.
Orders came
Don't
this
get it twisted.
Milan's
Usually
not
takes us
safe
so
anymore,
much RAM.
so we're
You
pulling out.
need at least, I would recommend 16 for this crap, dude. The dual channel. The CPU and GPU, we're doing great. I feel like I could run this on most things, but you need a lot of RAM.
Of course. Thank you.
Like, it's not really pushing me at all, but you need a lot of RAM. The shaders need to be built in, but it's not building in too many. Like, normally I get shaders building 100 and stuff. It's building in 2 and 3. It's kind of ridiculous, to be honest with you.
Hello there. You see the radio mast? Damn usks are all over it, and they just won't stay still. Maybe you could clear them out, eh?
I could do what now?
On the mast. Strange. Okay, I'll deal with them.
Ah, merci whenever you're ready. Just aim and squeeze, mon ami.
Interesting.
Search marksmanship, c'est magnifique.
Oh, I got it even though I didn't.
Captain Headshot is
Got
here.
that one too.
Mon ami, you are a true hero.
That's it.
Lifesaver, I thank you.
Testing, testing. Ah, thank the heavens it works. Now that's done, report to medical for a quick checkup. Then we'll see about getting you to your train, eh?
Listen, I don't know about any of this crap, man. It's crazy over here. I must say, it doesn't feel very smooth, though. I feel like this is one of those games that I must say, it doesn't feel smooth to play. It's very jittery, and as you can see, my frame times are all over the place. It is jittery. That's my only gripe with it, playing this on here. It feels very jittery. It's not a very good way to play it. I'll tell you that much. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys enjoy seeing me test, games on YUZU, RPC, S3, or Xenia, I do a lot of emulation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I test even the latest and newest games on the integrated graphics as well. I'll see you guys next time.
Allora, now comms are back up and running. It's time we got you out of here. Head to platform 5. There's a train waiting for you there.
Affirmative. Thank you, Bruno.